What is up, guys? Welcome to this video, and I have been on an alcohol ink tumbler frenzy lately where I made these two guys as my first ever, and you can click right here to watch that video. As a matter of fact, I made this one by accident. Made this amazing galaxy style, and I'll make another video to show you guys how I made this, because this was a complete accident. But I learned so much and I figured out exactly how I did it. So as I've been doing all these alcohol ink experiments and cups and stuff, I figured out something absolutely amazing. And I'm going to do it with this white cup, and I wanted to come on, make a video and show you guys exactly how it's done. And wow, it is amazing. And this is just a regular one of these. I sprayed it white with spray paint. And this is the base that you want to start with for this technique that I'm going to show you today. So let's go. Okay, for this technique, you're going to need some clear plastic wrap and a white cup that's spray paint white. Like I said, I already did that. Or you can buy one that's white. Way easier, by the way. I gave it a little scuff with a Scotch-Brite pad. Just that. Just lightly scuffed it and then cleaned it off with rubbing alcohol to get off any fingerprints or something. But I always like to use gloves because this stuff is messy. And if you see from my last video, I have changed my paper. I have brand new paper. And what you want to do, you want to get out a good length of this, because I mean it's not expensive. Tear it off. Make sure what you want to measure it by is that it'll go around the whole cup. So wow, this stuff is like bulletproof. Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay, there we go. So now you have your saran wrap out, enough to wrap around your entire cup. Next, you want to pick out whatever colors you're going to use. And for this, I used inspiration from the Instagram icon right here. And I'm going to use yellow first, magenta, and blue. Technically, you can pick one color and do this, maybe two, and do a dropper, and it turns out amazing. So my theory is I'm going to use yellow here, then magenta here. These two will mix together, make it happy, and have some orange right here. Then I'm going to use the blue down on this end. Mixing together again going to happen. Make a purple right about here. So let's see. So you're just going to drip out, cover it, leave some blank spaces because that's going to create voids and wrinkles. Overlap where you're going to do your next color. In this case, it's magenta. So next, put your next color, drip it around, mix them over so that they touch. And this probably uses more ink than anything that I've done yet with those other cups. So it's okay. It's for a good cause. It's going to look cool. And you don't have to cover the whole area. It's just got to be pretty sporadic. And the last color here, just make sure you kind of overlap so you get the effect, well, the effect I'm going for. So I think I'll put a dot here, here. Make some green up there. Even though that's not in the Instagram. Oh, that's the wrong lid. All right, the next step is to take this and wrap it around your cup. So I'm just going to sit this here. I'm going to fold it over and wrap it around. Lay it on it, kind of crinkle it up a little bit so that it goes all the way around. And you want these, see these kind of spiderwebby looking parts? And don't worry if it goes in the middle. We'll clean that up with some rubbing alcohol after it's all done. And you can already tell how these colors are mixing together. It's going to be beautiful. So I'm missing, look for some white spots and touch it around. Move it around, get it to where you like it. Make sure it's pressed on really good, tight. And make sure you have this veiny pattern going on, or else it will not look right. So I'm just going to squeeze it on real good. Oh, that orange is beautiful. Look at that. That is going to look amazing. So now we sit at the side and wait for 24 hours. And we are back. It's been like 2 seconds for you guys, but it's been 32 hours for me. And I was going to do 24 hours, but I didn't want to do it last night. I wanted to wait and do it this morning. And this is what we got in the saran wrap still. And you can tell where it's dried and how it's changed and looks. I mean, you can see how cool it's going to look even through this saran wrap. This is going to be ridiculous. So let's quit stalling and let's go ahead and unwrap this present. Like I said, we will clean out the inside with some rubbing alcohol. No big deal. Oh yeah, look at oh, I can't show you. It's too beautiful. Okay, I'll show you. Look at this. This is nuts. What? Oh my gosh. Look at that. Sheesh. And it's dry, so I'm just babying it because, I don't know, habit. Oh, holy cow. Look at that. Wow. It's even got little ones inside the big ones. That's what's crazy. It's like crystallized looking spiderwebby. Oh, that is insane. Look where the purple run down some more. Oh, my hand's stuck. Oh, jeez. There we go. Wow. And it is completely dry. Looks really good. Okay, so the green part where I don't really like it, but it's kind of got a cool aqua look to it. It's a little dark right there for my taste. I really like this. So that's what I was saying earlier in the video. You could choose 1 or 2 colors and it looks amazing. Like, but this is crazy here, this purple. And I didn't even put purple. If you remember, I put blue. So this blue here faded down this purple. I think this is where I overlapped and I didn't do a great job, I guess. And then the dark color ran into here, and I like that. That's pretty cool. Look, it's not doing anything. You're not going to mess it up. It's dry. The bottoms look crazy. That's a hard thing to do, is to get the bottom to look cool. A lot of people take some rubbing alcohol when they're done, and they'll clean the bottom so it's white, but I'm not doing that. I love this. And so that's pretty much it. I'm going to stick it on my turner. I'm going to resin it, and I'll show you what that looks like.